Welcome to From the Floor. We're looking at the Apex Pro Mini Wireless. It's a 60% keyboard, so it's quite a bit smaller than any regular keyboard you'll have. It does come with a USB-C dongle, and it has a USB-C to USB-C adapter, which doesn't want to come out of the packaging. It's cool. And what's nice about this is with the provided braided cable, it's a very nice cable, USB to USB-C, then you can put your dongle wherever you want, which is good. This, I've tried connecting this keyboard just with the provided USB-C cable that I had in the back of my computer, and it would not find it. So being able to put it wherever you want is great. Flashing white means it can't connect. So